The Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Anil Nandlall, stated that based on independent legal advice sought and acquired by him in relation to lands allegedly given away under the former administration, civil proceedings will be instituted against a number of persons implicated, including former Minister of Finance Winston Jordan and recently dismissed CEO of NICIL, Colvin Heath, London. It is being alleged that the sale and transfer of lands from the state to several companies were executed shortly after the March 2020 elections, and that several companies exacted minuscule payments for the said lands, situated at Ogle on the east coast of Demerara. In a schedule circulated by the Attorney General, detailing the particulars of the transactions, Caribbean Marketing Enterprise Incorporated was recorded as making a total payment of $19.4 million for 21 acres of land, while the value was $632.8 million. Another company, Premier Sales and Services, is recorded as paying $1 million for 5 acres of land, although the value reportedly stood at $150 million. Popular businessman Brian Tiwari of BK Incorporated allegedly made a payment of $20.2 million for 2,553 acres, while the offer price stood at $202.6 million. The Attorney General submitted that, among other things, civil proceedings will be instituted to recover the parcel of lands, as well as claim compensation against those implicated, while preferring that the state will treat generously with those who opt to return the said lands. He added that the matters will also be passed to the Criminal Investigation Department of the Police Force, as well as the Special Organized Crime Unit, SOCU, for further investigations and consequential actions. Jordan, in a statement, however, denied the allegations, claiming, and I quote, "These allegations and innuendos against me are baseless and repugnant. In my view, they are designed to impugn my character, tarnish my image, and lower my esteem in the eyes of my family, friends, admirers, well-wishers, and the general public. Indeed, the numerous calls, texts, and messages on this matter that I received convince me of this conclusion. I thank all of those persons who expressed full confidence in me and for their comfort and support. I state categorically that I, Winston Jordan, former Minister of Finance in the coalition government, performed my duties in compliance with the oath of office and to the best of my abilities. This I have done in my over 35 years of public service in various capacities. On the advice of counsel, I would refrain from delving into matters of an evidentiary and factual basis. This will be done at an appropriate time." End quote. Meanwhile, PNCR Executive Member Aubrey Norton, while at a ceremony at the Regional Democratic Office of Region 4 last week, posited that all the lands issued under the previous administration are legal.
All the lands that were issued under the APNU AFC are legal, and we will ensure and work with those people who got those lands to bring legal action to ensure they keep the lands.
Nandall on Sunday stated that 6 of 8 companies who received lands under the previous administration have offered to return their plots. Wendell Badrie, HGP Nightly News.